मैं कमिंग सर। सर माननीय बोर्ड को मेरा नमस्कार। थैंक यू सर।
अभिषेक, आपने LLM यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ राजस्थान डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ लॉ में किस सब्जेक्ट में किया है?
सर आई डिड माई LLM इन टॉर्ट एंड क्राइम ब्रांच।
टॉर्ट एंड क्राइम, गुड। पिछली बार मैंने टॉर्ट से ज़्यादा पूछे थे, क्राइम से, ये थोड़ा बता दो।
सर पिछली बार
टॉर्ट से ज़्यादा पूछे थे, मुझे लग रहा है टॉर्ट से शुरू हुआ होगा। गुड। BA LLB आपने राजस्थान यूनिवर्सिटी से कर रखा है 2021 में 73% से, और पीछे आपका CBSE केंद्रीय विद्यालय सीकर से जो है 73% पॉइंट ये है। अदर क्वालिफिकेशन UGC नेट भी कर रखा है, और डिस्ट्रिक्ट कंज्यूमर रेड्रेसल कमीशन अंडर चेयरमैन DJ महेंद्र अग्रवाल जी, इनके साथ इंटर्नशिप,
इनके अंदर इंटर्नशिप।
ठीक है। और भी है क्या? मूड कोर्ट एक्सपीरियंस है, हॉबीज इंटरेस्ट है, पर्सनल प्रोफाइल है, गोयला तहसील नीम का थाना सीकर। यस, व्हाट इज द नाउ स्टेटस ऑफ नीम का थाना?
सर एज पर रिसेंटली कॉन्स्टिट्यूट राम लुभाया कमेटी, सीकर नीम का थाना नाउ बिकम ए डिस्ट्रिक्ट।
Okay, and Nimka Thana cover under the which division of the Rajasthan?
Sir, Nimka Thana is covered under Sikar division.
Sikar division.
Yes.
Who is district collector of Nimka Thana?
Sir, Shriman Sharad Mehta ji is the now present collector of Nimka Thana.
Okay. Why Khetri is famous? Khetri, which is part of Nimka Thana, is famous.
Sir, there are various reasons for this town Khetri is famous. Firstly, sir, sir, first of all, it is significantly known for Swami Vivekanand visit. 3 times Swami Vivekanand visit there on the request of Raja Maharaja Ajit Singh. It is also, sir, the Chicago Dharm Summit. Sir, मैं speak in Hindi, if you allow me. सर जो शिकागो धर्म सम्मेलन हुआ था उसमें स्वामी विवेकानंद जी के को जो आर्थिक मदद थी वो भी अजीत सिंह जी ही ने की थी। और सर खेतड़ी तांबे के लिए भी जाना जाता है। वहाँ पे सर एक सभ्यता भी है, सुनारी सभ्यता, जहाँ लोहे की भट्टियाँ मिली है वहाँ है। और सर खेतड़ी में एक अजीत सागर बांध भी है फेमस।
ये जो नीम का थाना नया जिला बना, ये किस जिले में से बनाया गया?
सर 2 जिले सीकर से पाटन और श्रीमाधोपुर को लिया गया, और जो झुंझुनू जिले हैं वहाँ से खेतड़ी और उदयपुर वाटिका कुछ पार्ट मिला के नीम का थाना जिले का निर्माण हुआ सर।
जब हम नीम का थाना से जयपुर आते हैं,
यस सर,
तो कौन सा नेशनल हाईवे आता है?
सर नेशनल हाईवे 52।
यस, तो सीकर होके ही आते हैं।
यस सर।
और नीम का थाना में रेलवे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन भी अवेलेबल है?
रेलवे कनेक्टिविटी है नीम का थाना से सर। मुंबई, दिल्ली, जयपुर, लगभग सारे मेट्रोपॉलिटन कनेक्टिविटी है।
गुड। For every crime,
yes,
at least 2 essential ingredients required. What are the such essential ingredients?
Sir, as per criminal jurisprudence, 2 essential character are needed for any crime. That is mens rea and actus reus and mens rea.
Okay. What are the stages of crimes?
Sir, there are 4 stages of crime. First, intention. Second, preparation. Third, attempt. And fourth, finally, is commission.
The intention is physical stage of crime or mental stage of crime?
Sir, intention is the mental state of a person.
Mental stage of a crime.
Yes.
Of a crime. And the preparation, attempt and commission. These are the physical stages of the crime.
Yes, sir.
Good. What are the 2 basic differences between the preparation and attempt?
Sir, basically preparation is the previous stage of an attempt. If in preparation person is assembling things and other things which can be used in the commission of the crime. Sir, attempt is basically unsuccessful commission of an act.
Okay. We can say that in preparation the person arranging or dividing the means for the commission of offense.
Yes.
Whereas in attempt there is active movement, sir, towards the commission of offense.
Yes, sir. Active movement. He done all that he can do, but the result is unsuccessful.
Yes. And that is unsuccess by the reason which is beyond the control of the concerned wrongdoer.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, good. Whether every attempt of the offense is punishable under IPC?
Yes, sir. Section 511 of the Indian Penal Code is stated that every attempt made by a person in furtherance of the commission of any act is an offence. But there are some specific attempts which are made exclusive
Like
an
attempt
offence.
to murder.
Yes, sir.
etc.
And others which are
And every preparation of offence is punishable?
No, sir. Every preparation of offence is not punishable, but there are certain offence which deal with preparation, like sir, 399 of the Indian Penal Code, preparation to commit dacoity. Section 122 of Indian Penal Code, preparation for waging war
Waging war against the
Yes.
government of India. Very good. In CrPC, when accused is not capable to engage or appoint his advocate, then what shall be done by the session judge?
Sir, the provision regarding this thing is given in section 304 of the CrPC. It states that if a person is not represented, then session judge shall appoint a pleader for his representation.
Good. There is a law, Legal Service Authority Act 1987, and under such law, certain persons are eligible for obtaining the free legal aid. Who are eligible under such laws?
Sir, I am not recalling a specific provision, but some of them, a person who is not having a property worth ₹1,000, if the person is belong from any tribal area, if he has no
whether accused is mentioned in that entry?
No sir, anybody
Yes.
can take legal assistance.
Accused, women, children, accused, even the industrial workman and the person who is exploited under Article 23-24 of the Constitution, and a certain income, the person who having the less than certain income, then all such persons are eligible for obtaining the free legal aid. There is provision in Constitution for free legal aid, and
Yes, sir. Sir, Article 39A state and put an obligation on the state that state shall provide free legal aid and equal justice for every citizen.
what are the types of the trial in CrPC?
Sir, basically there are 4 types of trial. First, trial by session judge. Secondly, trial by magistrate, which is of 2 types. First, cases offence instituted and police report and complaint case, and sir, summon cases trial, and one is trial summary
trial. Very good. In respect of which cases the pre-charge evidence is to be recorded?
I am not able to, sir.
Pre-charge evidence. Though pre-charge evidence term is not used in that particular section, but that is known as the pre-charge evidence, because such evidence is recorded prior to the framing of charge.
So, sir, I am not able to.
244 CrPC.
Yeah, yes.
244 CrPC is known as pre-charge evidence. In summon cases, whether it is mandatory to heard the accused on question of sentence?
Sir, yes, sir, it is basic principle of the criminal jurisprudence that.
But it is not necessary.
No.
No express provision in the summon trial. Accused to be heard on the question of sentence. Though in warrant trial and session trial there is a specific provision. In summary trial, how much maximum imprisonment to be inflicted?
Sir, maximum imprisonment inflicted in summary trial is not more than 3 months.
Okay. Who is entitled to make application for plea bargaining?
Sir, section 265B of CrPC stated that the accused person may make an application for the plea bargaining, and such application shall be accompanied by.
General rule is that evidence shall be recorded in the presence of accused or his pleader. But there are certain exceptions where the accused may be evidence may be recorded, statement may be recorded even in the absence of accused. What is the such exception?
Sir, there are several exceptions which is provided under CrPC. First is section 299. If the accused person is absconding and there is no possibility that he is immediately taken before the court, then evidence may be recorded in his absence. Sir, section 317 of CrPC is also.
Okay, what is the protest petition?
Yes, sir, if any party is not happy with the not satisfied with the investigation made by the police petition, then on filing of the charge sheet, the person who considered himself aggrieved may file a protest petition before the honorable court.
Okay. What is transit remand?
Sir, sorry sir.
what is default bail?
Yes, sir. Sir, default bail is a provision which is stated in section 167 of the CrPC. Is state that if a person is accused of any offence which is punishable with death, LI and 10 years, then upon the expiry of 90 days, if charge sheet is not filed, then he can entitled to default bail. And in offence which is not punishable with more than 10 years, then upon the expiry of 60 days, that person is entitled to default bail.
When the person is granted default bail under section 167, whether he is subject to the provision of chapter 33 of CrPC?
Yes, sir. If a person is given default bail, then he shall be subject to the provision which is contained in chapter 33.
What is the name of the new law which replaced the CrPC?
Sir, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 is the name which replaced the CrPC 1970.
डिजिटल अरेस्ट क्या होता है?
Sir, digital arrest is a recently coined term in which the fraudulent person set up a stage like police, CBI and judges, and they can virtually connected with a person and compel him to present before that authority continuously by video conferencing, and their basic intention is to induce that person and dishonestly obtaining money, extort money, property by virtue of that position and by that false personification.
राजस्थान का एजुकेशन सिनेरियो बता दो।
सर राजस्थान
नीम का थाना से है ना?
यस सर।
एजुकेशन सिनेरियो ऑफ राजस्थान, कुछ भी छोटा मोटा एजुकेशन के बारे में नहीं पता आपको?
सर, as per the recent data which I study, as per 2011 census, the education percentage of नीम का थाना is 65%, which is 77% among male and 54% among female.
बहुत अच्छी।